Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve your speaking skill with a story related to the use of have to and must. To improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat after me, sentence by sentence, when I tell you a short story. Well, now please listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Always young. My aunt Jennifer is an actress. She must be at least 35 years old. In spite of this, she often appears on the stage as a young girl. Jennifer will have to take part in a new play soon. She will be a girl of 17. When anyone ever asks me, when anyone ever asks her how old she is, she always answers, "Dear me, it must be terrible to be grown up." Well, I hope you still remember the story. Now, please answer my questions. Question number one: is Aunt Jennifer an actress? Is she over 35 years old or under 35 years old? Does she often play as a young girl? Will she have to take part in a new play soon? Does he ever answer how old she is? What about you? Do you have to get up early tomorrow? What do you have to do after you get up? Must you eat lunch at 1 o'clock? What time must you be at home? What do you have to do in the evening? What time do you have to get up? What time do you have to go to bed? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.